Hey guys, so how are you all? I have come back after a long time with a very new video, that is how to make a cake without using egg at your home. So at a very easy method and at a very short time. So let's see today how to make a cake at your home, that also a choco cake at your home at a very easy method. So please do check out. Here is the ingredient. 3 cup of flour is taken in this bowl. 1 bowl sugar, 4 choco biscuits, baking powder, cocoa powder, vanilla essence, 1 bowl oil, refined oil, 1 cup milk, 1 half bowl curd. Now I will take 1 bowl sugar and I will drop on this floor. Now I have to mix it. Now I will take 1 cup of milk and I will pour it. Now I have put the flour mixture in this large bowl, and then I will put the half boiled curd in this mixture. Now again I will mix it up. Mix it up thoroughly so that the entire mixture gets nourished. Then I will put 1 boil oil, refined oil, in this mixture. Again I have to mix it thoroughly so that the entire mixture gets it. It should be a smooth and soft one. After mixing it up, then I will put this 4 biscuit mixing powder in this flour. Whole thing I will leave it here. Next, I will add some cocoa powder in this mixture. And then I will give vanilla essence to it. So I will take a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and then I will put here. Then I have to add some baking powder. So not much baking powder we will take, only 1 teaspoon. So I'm taking it in a teaspoon. See, I have to some baking powder in a teaspoon. So 1 teaspoon we will take and I will add it in this mixture. Then to make a good batter, we have to again add 1 cup of milk. So I'm putting it here. See, I put it. Then I will mix it up. So I will mix it up. The entire mixture to mix it up so that it becomes a nice batter. So you can see how batter is forming. I have to make a tight mixture of it. It will be very smooth. The whole chocolate will be mixing up with it and the other things will be nicely mixing it up. The mixture will be very smooth and nourished one. So I have to mix it thoroughly. The entire thing we have to mix up until everything get mixed up in this butter. So see, like this we have to do. So you can see how smooth mixture has been formed, how smooth butter has been formed. See how smooth butter has been formed without giving egg. It is a eggless vegetarian cake, choco cake. So you can see how smoothly the butter has been formed. So now we have to put it in a fresh bowl where I have put a butter paper so that it will be a non-sticky. So you can see I have put a butter paper. Now I will put the entire mixture here. Like this I will put the entire mixture in this bowl slowly so that it can be placed smoothly in a bowl. You have to check it very well so that it doesn't go outside the bowl. It should be a firm and clean one. So like this we will put the entire butter in the bowl where butter paper is placed. You can take any bowl of any size and you have to put the butter paper so that it will be a non-sticky one, so that you can easily take it after the cake is baked. See how fine batter has been made. Now I will put this inside the cooker. Slowly I will put. You can see inside the cooker there is some water and with salt. Now I will place this. I will close it and it should be in a medium flame. Hey guys, so my cake is ready now. So you can see that I have added some chocolate creams in the cake. So this cream is made by my own hand. So I will soon come up with this video that how to make a chocolate cream at home without using egg and at a very easy method. So one day I will bring that video also. And you have seen that I have added chocolate biscuits or choco biscuits to decorate my cake. Also choco balls. You can use anything to decorate your cake. You maybe eat a choco ball or some other chocolates to decorate your cake. And so this cake especially I have made for the birthday of Jesus Christ, 25th December. So for the Merry Christmas celebration, for Merry Christmas Eve, I have made this cake. Even I make lot of cakes for various occasions. So see how I have decorated my cake. You can also make this cake at your home anytime. So please watch this video how to make cake at home at a very easy method. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please click on the subscribe button to enable the notifications, and don't forget to watch my other videos too. Please share with your friends. And Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone.